by daylight.
Hello, hello, hello. This is RichGenX here on YouTube, RichGenX elsewhere. And it's time to have a little bit more fun with Dead by Daylight. Yep. It's a fun game to play, I gotta say that. Okay. So now we're gonna continue our Dead by Daylight. Oh, I've been awarded 50,000 blood points. I love it. Must be something going on today. This week. Alright, so we're gonna be again as our Hillbilly. I gotta select the challenge for Hillbilly. Oh, I gotta collect that too. Ba-bum. Okay, that's a survivor. Sacrifice 2 survivors to the entity. Well, might as well try that one. Mark that I'm ready. Pick up some items here. Get the jolt. And what's this? Looks like something we're getting here. Let's see. I'm gonna check my loadout here. So this is still good. Let's see. What's this gonna do? Okay. Oh. I'll keep that the way it is. So let's work on getting some more stuff here. Get that insidious perk. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Shattered Hope. Oh! Okay. Getting pulled into one. It's all good. So we got Empress Ally 657 is Mikaela. Danky Diaper is Arena. Yeah is Dwight. And LOL Troll IDK. Oh, God. Oh, no. Somebody left the game. Never mind. Hello. Oh, Jon-Than-C as Ace. So 2 Dwights, an Ace, and a Mikaela. That's what it's looking like. Well, I gotta hope I can get at least 2. I remember to put an offering in. Nope, probably not. Okay. Alrighty. At least I'm ready for any flashlights. They're gonna try and flashlight me, they're gonna find out I'm not gonna get flashlight. During a chase, the killer must pay attention to the environment and the survivor's movements to guess their next move. The hillbilly. Hitting walls or objects with a chainsaw stuns the hillbilly. Well, I'll tell them they're dealing with a hillbilly at least. Shelter Woods, the MacMillan Estate. Trapper Zone turf. What? We had a disconnect? Well, that's sucky. That's called predicting. Let's see. There's a nearby. Oh. You're right. You're right. Oh, it's over here. Thanks for reminding me. That's all right. Would you? Oh. Where'd she jump to? Hi. Nice of you to... Hey! Oh, crap. It's right over here. I almost forgot. That's my bad. You were a pain in the butt. Hang. Over, Mikaela. No. Hang. You guys got shit out of luck when somebody quit on you. Damn, no one escaped. Ruthless killer. Nice, got that challenge done. Got some lore to add with. What? Ah. So this That's not just happening. That was happening last night to people. From what I saw. Yeah, this person... LOL troll IDK. That was just an ass move to do. Yeah, well. Still a good round, I'd say. A kick butt. But I don't think I could fully get that achievement. Yeah, well. That's probably because that system's down. Alright. So let's select a new challenge because we're going to go back to Survivor. Nice. Nice. Alright, we're going to put that one back in play. I got new lore, which I can check out at another time.
Talbot opens his eyes in a daze, sitting in a wooden chair, slowly returning from a journey half remembered. He remembers the flower.
I'll check it out at a later time because, you know, just how it is. So now, we're going to go back and we're going to go Survivor. Get 100% more blood points right now. Alright, Mikaela. Let's see. Small game. Alright, let's get some nice... Ooh, what's this? Nancy Wheeler, okay. Okay, see. Oh, there's that small game perk again. Alright, so we'll hit click ready here. Okay, I'm gonna remove this perk. And we got right into a match there. That's not... Matches are coming quick on this time around. Okay, we got Emgene Estate. We got OIDSoup and Mikaela Reed. And the Joker Project, Feng. Okay, just to collect this one, I just need to unhook unhook two survivors. Uh-huh, 50, 75, and uh-oh. Secret. The survivor's goal is to activate a gate switch to open an exit gate and escape. Don't know who our killer is. Oh, the Suffocation pit at the MacMillan Estate. Alright. It's a Bubba. Great. Get over here! Get me off this hook! Let's get out of here first. What? I lost? Oh no. Somebody gotta roll. We gotta find a... Okay, that one's good. Oh shit! Bubba's keeping us moving. We got 2 gens to do yet. Oh no. I got one person off a hook at least. Bubba is busy. So somebody's opened the other game. I'm letting him. I want to see how long I can run this. We've got this, like, in the bag. It's gonna be an easy no-kill for this killer. Oh, and I got the adept Mikaela. Yes! Let's see. Hey, I got another one. Oh well, I didn't get all of them. I lost those, no biggie. See, we're not getting any progression here. Since the system's broke. Wow. Okay, Emgene, Feng, two Mikaelas. The Cannibal as NcllNcll. Alrighty. Well, that was a good game. In my opinion, it was good. Shame we didn't get this challenge taken care of, but that's how it plays out sometimes, and it's a shame that we didn't get any progress marked on our ranks. But again, that's how it goes sometimes. It's another good run-in. Two games, both successful in my book. Except for that troll that quit. Until next time, however, though, this is RichGenX here on YouTube, RichGenX elsewhere, inviting everyone to check things out here on the channel. I have various videos that go up every day at 3 p.m. Eastern that are playthroughs of various series and libraries in a 2-week cycle, including the LucasArts Library of Games, the Sierra Library of Games, the Doom franchise following Doom Guy / Doom Slayer, Tomb Raider Core Designs timeline, the Sherlock Holmes franchise, and a bunch of others. Even the Zork franchise. And at 10 a.m., usually Tuesday through Saturday, sometimes on Monday, I have things premiering. Tuesday's usually a fic reading. Wednesday is a Final Fantasy game playthrough. I think I'm still working on Final Fantasy VII at the time. Thursday is usually this or Monstrum 2. Friday is a fighting game, ladder mode, and Saturday is a retrospective for a game I've beaten. If I haven't beaten any in recent time, that means nothing goes up. And I can't say for certain what goes up this week, because if anything goes up this week, because like I said, I record these ahead of time, so sometimes I don't even know what's going up. Or I'm that far ahead of myself. But until next time, again, this is RichGenX here on YouTube, RichGenX elsewhere. Bye all!